inyong lahat. It's Sunday and it's raining. And it's early pero ramdam na ramdam po namin ang energy ninyong lahat.
Rain or shine! Go, go, go! Woo! Rain or shine! Let's go! 1PS DBM!
Hey! The 1PS DBM Fun Run 2024 follows the successful run of the same event last year, the first ever Fun Run event organized by PS DBM. At dahil po sa suporta ninyo noong nakaraang taon, muli po tayong nagsasama-sama ngayon para ipagpatuloy ang sinimulan nating tagumpay.
I'm Ariel, and this is my wife, Jana. We're from House of Representatives joining this fun run. Rain or shine, laban! Let's go!
Alam niyo ho ba kung last year, our first fun run, I think we were able to register around 1,300 participants. Ngayong taon ho, ngayong 2024, as of closing our registration this morning, I think we have reached already around 2,400 participants. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami ng marami sa inyong lahat sa pakikibahagi niyo po dito sa aming 1PS DBM Fun Run.
Rain or shine, go, go, go!
Remember to have fun and make memories with those who run beside you. No matter your finish time, panalo na po kayong lahat sa puso namin. Ito po ang 1PS DBM Fun Run, and together, let us race and run as one. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.